Today we're going to use Tulip fabric paint on a t-shirt. The thing about family is when they know that you're talented at something, they're absolutely going to volunteer you for stuff that you don't care anything about, so on and so forth. And in this case, my cousin volunteered me to do a shirt because she was going to a themed birthday party. She sent me over the invitation and asked me to paint on the shirt the character that was used on the invitation. It was like a cowboy and cowgirls themed kind of whatever. We're not talking about the football team, or I wouldn't have did it. I'm a Giants fan. Anyway, check out the video. Let me know what you think. So I felt like the outcome was great on that. I've never used that paint before. I had a lot of fun doing the grass because I was able to blend the colors with that paint. I've never done it with that on a shirt or anything like that. So that was a fun process to do. One thing I will tell everybody is just to remember, if you use that product, anything fabric related, the it's gonna be a thin consistency to that paint. Depending what the situation is, that paint is you're gonna need a lot of that paint. It's gonna go into the fabric and kind of soak up in there. So just make sure that you do more than one layer. And if it's a darker fabric, I would recommend that you do a layer or two of white before you go in with any other color. Right? But let it dry. Let it dry thoroughly. Some people use heat guns or hair dryers to help the process speed up in between layers. Do what works for you. If you use a heat gun, do not put that too close to the fabric. It's gonna melt. It's gonna burn. Trust me, you don't want that happening. Other than that, I liked it. I liked everything, and I loved the reaction my cousin got when she went to the party. The problem is, she was in there volunteering my services again. Yo, don't volunteer my services, man. Don't do that. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Check out one of my other videos and uh, hit the alert bell so you know when the next one drops. All right. Thank you.